This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mapping the wall so numbers sit evenly, measure width, height, and mark a grid at 12 intervals. This prevents crooked alignment. Next, prepare your number pieces. Use thin cards 0, 5 to 1 mm, printed or pre-cut, and check that they slip behind seams without bulging. Once done, cut small access slits where each number will go, keeping the wallpaper backing intact enough to reseal. Make sure to keep spare wallpaper and a seam roller ready for the first inserts. Now you work systematically across the grid. Lift a slit with a thin putty knife to create a 3 to 5 mm pocket and insert the number so its face aligns flush with the wallpaper surface. Use small glue dots or double-sided tape about 1 mm thick. This holds the number without causing a ridge. Once the piece is in place, flatten the area with a seam roller to fuse the wallpaper back down, and clean any adhesive squeeze out immediately so the finish stays smooth and invisible. To finish, apply wallpaper adhesive sparingly into each slit, press the edges together, and run a seam roller over the repair. Drying with a hairdryer on low helps set the bond faster. If you spot a bump, remove the offending number and swap it for a thinner 0. 3 to 0. 5 mm card, thickness is the usual culprit. Finally, if seams remain visible, lift slightly, reapply adhesive, press firmly with the roller, and trim any excess with a razor for a clean result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.